All right, take a look at this. The difference sure is noticeable. If you hate your neck and you hide behind turtlenecks and scarves, then listen up. There's a new and improved procedure that's FDA approved and requires no surgery. This is exciting new technology that can help reduce fat in the neck, face, and body, and tighten skin too. And it uses radio frequency energy to contour and firm.
Dr. Deborah Manjoney is the medical director of the Wisconsin Vein Center and MediSpa, here to tell us more about what's called the Exilis Elite.
That's right.
Right? Okay, this is really improved.
Right, this is the year for me to bring in the new technologies that I think really have a great record now that we can offer to the public.
And what do you like about this?
What I like about this is that we can do some layering, so we can actually melt some fat away and also tighten the skin at the same time. Very same time with the same applicator. It's a constant in motion movement with this heat radio frequency, but it takes less time than some of the older devices do. It's much more comfortable. They have worked out with engineering how to make the impedance adjustment so that the skin can be excluded and cooled while you're getting in deeper to the fat. So it's really fantastic.
Yeah.
So how does it work then? Do you lay it on? Does it go above you?
No, this one moves.
Okay.
And so while you're lying down, we map out an area of what you want to treat, and then the clinician moves it around on the surface of the skin with a little gel or oil on the skin, and we move it around for a certain period of time. So it may be anywhere from as little as 10 minutes to a 30-minute treatment or 45-minute treatment, depending on the size of the area and depending on just what we're trying to accomplish. If we're trying to just tighten the skin more or melt the fat away underneath and then tighten the skin, whatever we're trying to do.
I want to take a look at some of these before and afters, because they are impressive. The first one is the lower part of the face.
Right.
And this before and after demonstrates that this is something that you can use on the face to contour and to shape. And so this is more like the...
And so we're not melting any fat here. What we're doing is purely skin tightening.
Okay.
Now, I had it done a month ago, and it usually takes 2 to 3 total treatments. Usually 2 will give you a great result about a month apart. And so I'm waiting to have my second one. Looking forward to it. But you know, it's for those, as we start getting a little bit of the jowly look, and we want to tighten up so you don't get a
This is truly impressive. I mean,
yes.
she looks like she has a
like
different face, like it's a different person.
Absolutely.
Yeah, it looks like a twin sister.
But younger.
Yeah.
Yeah, tighter skin. You can see it under the chin, the top of the neck part.
It's really amazing.
On the eyes. The next one is the belly, so you can also use it in the midsection.
Yes, we use it on the belly all the time.
Okay.
And again, this can just contour down. You know, some of the devices we have to have bulges. On this one, you don't. You can just want to decrease the overall size and contour it in a little bit. And we really can sculpt even from the back. You know, there's a technique where we can do the bra fat, and we can do the fat on the back, and actually do kind of a butterfly shape, so we can sculpt in at the waist and below the waist and above, you know, just make it a little bit thinner. So it's pretty interesting.
That's amazing. Just helping your clothes fit a little better.
Absolutely.
I like how she said it's pretty interesting.
Yeah, it is pretty interesting. Get rid of that like back here.
That's exciting.
It's very true.
Oh, arms. We can do arms and tighten the skin on the arms and extend it down a little bit.
Yeah, because I don't like when I wave and then there's something down here that's waving too.
Yeah.
Men
and women works great.
So no downtime? It doesn't
No
take
downtime at all. No downtime, no after effects. You'll have a little pinkness in the area that's treated for maybe a few hours.
Did you say if it hurts?
I don't think it hurts. I've had it done now on my face, and I had it yesterday. We were practicing, and I had them doing it kind of on my belly, although they said I didn't have enough fat to do, so it was more for skin tightening.
Yeah.
I was like, really? Come on.
You're like, I know there's something there.
Exactly. And in terms of how long the results last, so are the results immediate, and then how long do they last?
Okay, the fat reducing actually may occur within the first week. You may start seeing some reduction, but 4 treatments are going to give you the most reduction. The skin tightening usually takes several weeks to months to see the final result.
Okay. And they do last?
Yes, the results last. And if you want to keep up on it, of course, you can have something done maybe every 6 months to a year, just have a little touch-up.
Okay.
And people have heard of Exilis before, but this is the second generation, and that's why it's a brand new version. It's the Exilis Elite.
That's right, and because there's always the engineering has gotten better and better, and so they've listened to what their physicians have asked them to do, and they've really been able to upgrade it. And so this is monopolar radio frequency, We put a little grounding pad on you when we do it, and it really allows us to focus it to the area we totally want to work in, and that's what one of the big advantages is.
Another, I think, huge advantage in visiting your office is that you do free consultations.
Yes.
So if you're not sure if this works, because you've talked about Cool Sculpt too,
Right.
which is exciting fat debulking
Absolutely.
technology, you can see one of the people at your office visit you, have you look at people, talk
Right.
about what you'd like to see change, and then you can work through a plan.
That's right, and you can always do a little at a time. That's
Yeah.
the nicest thing about all these things. You can start with one area, and then as you love the results, you can go on.
I think that's neat.
Yeah,
and
love
here's
it.
how people can do that. They can call for a free consultation at 262-746-9088. Visit them online at wimedispa.com. They're located on Georgetown Drive in Pewaukee. And again, Wisconsin Vein Center and MediSpa. Always nice seeing you.
Thank you very
Doctor.
much.
Thanks so much.